Welcome to a platform overview of Sequa AI. With AI agents, we ship more code than ever, and this creates an increasing problem where you want to keep your agents and humans all aligned with the same product vision. And of course, nobody wants to write or maintain a documentation. This is why we have built Sequa to completely automate this process for you. When you go into your Sequa product, you will see that you directly have all of these documentation pages created for you out of the box. Super helpful. And the cool thing with Sequa is that everything links between each other, so you can jump in and get even deeper information. Again, all of this is auto-generated. So how does this work below the hood? If I go here on edit, you can see that instead of writing text, we just write prompts. And based on these prompts, we can then update the documentation based on code changes. Of course, you can update these prompts to your liking, add information as you need, and also you can add new sections down here. But once you have this documentation, the question is, what do you actually do with it, right? So first of all, we have the MCP server where you can bring this knowledge to anywhere in your workflow. This can be Cursor, Claude Code, Claude Desktop, ChatGPT, or my personal favorite being N8N workflows, where you can bring code intelligence to any of your workflows. But of course, we also have our own chat where you can then go ahead and ask, for example, non-technical questions. Personally, I love to use this in some sales call, giving you great detailed information. And again, it always links back to the sources down here. But of course, we can also use it for a more technical example. And here it came back with a very detailed and technical answer, even with some code snippets. And of course, again, it links back to the source files, in this case also to the code files, not just to the documentation. Of course, we also understand that you have a lot of daily annoying chores. For this, we have built the Sequa tools. If you want to write a ticket, create a changelog, custom onboarding, or whatever you want to do, you can use one of our predefined tools to even get there quicker. For example, let's create a changelog here. And bam, we have our changelog. It goes across repositories, of course, because that's the full product understanding of all of your repositories connected to your product as well. Of course, this video was way too short to cover all of the features. The best way to see all of them is just to try it yourself. Go over to sequa.ai and sign up for a free trial to find out what up-to-date documentation can do to your workflows. And until then, see you in the next video.